గత 10 సంవత్సరాలుగా ప్రధాని నరేంద్ర మోడీ ప్రభుత్వం సంక్షేమ అభివృద్ధి రంగాలకు ప్రాధాన్యతనివ్వడంతో పాటు రాష్ట్రాల అభివృద్ధికి పాటుపడడం వల్ల ప్రపంచ దేశాలు భారతదేశం వైపు చూస్తున్నాయని కేంద్ర ప్రసార శాఖ మంత్రి మురుగన్ పేర్కొన్నారు. నాగర్ కర్నూలు జిల్లా కేంద్రంలోని పార్లమెంట్ ఎన్నికల కార్యాలయంలో ఏర్పాటు చేసిన మీడియా సమావేశంలో ఆయన మాట్లాడారు. 10 ఏళ్ల పాలనలో నరేంద్ర మోడీ అభివృద్ధి, రక్షణ, ఉపాధి కల్పనలపై, మహిళా శక్తి లాంటి అంశాలపై ప్రత్యేక దృష్టి సారించి ఆదుకున్నారని పేర్కొన్నారు. ప్రధాన ఆవాస యోజన ఉజ్వల పథకం ద్వారా ఎందరికో ఉపాధి చూపించి ఆదుకున్నారని ఈ సందర్భంగా గుర్తు చేశారు. రైతులను ఆదుకోవడంతో పాటు 370 ఆర్టికల్ రద్దు, రామ మందిర నిర్మాణం, పరిశ్రమలు, జాతీయ రహదారుల నిర్మాణం లాంటి అనేక అంశాల్లో దేశాన్ని అభివృద్ధి దిశగా నడిపించారని కొనియాడారు. ప్రధాని నరేంద్ర మోడీ ఆధ్వర్యంలో రాజ్యాంగ పరిరక్షణకు కేంద్ర ప్రభుత్వం కట్టుబడి ఉందని స్పష్టం చేశారు.
Today, this election is very important elections. This election is for Prime Minister's election. This election is for Narendra Modi ji's election. So last 10 years, we are witnessing how the nation is taking development. How our nation is speeding and scale development, and we are leading, marching towards Viksit Bharat. We can tell so many development progress throughout the country. In particularly in Nagar Karnool, our Member of Parliament, he explained how he sanctioned from our Nitin Gadkari ji for this highway, 1400 crore worth highway. The work is getting place. So like this development work, this government focused one side infrastructure development, another one side welfare of the people, welfare of the Kisan, welfare of the poor, and all activities we are taking place. See, the government always focus the Mahila Shakti. The Mahila Shakti is the very important, and we have to empower the Mahila. That's why our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji's government always focused to the Mahila's welfare and Mahila's empowerment. For that, our each and every house toilet constructed. Prime Minister Awas Yojana, 4 crore houses constructed throughout the nation. But unfortunately, this Telangana government, they are not cooperated, they are not come forward, they are not allowed to the people are getting benefit of the central government scheme. Apart from that, our government are focusing Jal Jeevan Mission, Har Ghar Nal par Jal dene ke liye, for that we are working. And apart from that, Ujjwala, now you can see every household, every sister, every mother, they are getting Ujjwala scheme under the Prime Minister's Ujjwala scheme. So free gas connection. And our Prime Minister given a gift for our sisters. For each and every cylinder, they are getting 400 rupees subsidy for that cylinders. So one side, I already told that infrastructure. Another side, we are focusing for the welfare of the poor people. As well as the Kisan, Raitulu, our Prime Minister Samman Nidhi, every year 6,000 rupees directly we are giving to the beneficiaries direct to them account. So I want to explain here. So this election is for our Prime Minister's election. This election for the nation security election. This election for the development of 2047 Viksit Bharat. For that towards we are going. What this BJP is given fulfill promise to the nation. 2 promises we are given. One is Article 370. We told that we are going to revoke Article 370. We revoke. Another one is each and every Indian's dream was that Ayodhya Rama temple. So everyone was sacrificed, everyone's dream fulfilled by our government. So now Ayodhya temple constructed and that Rama Pradishta also taken place. The people from Telangana, they almost 36 trains, special trains has taken to our devotees to there. And so many people went in the flights and buses. So this Ayodhya is the part of our life. Ram temple is part of our life, so that fulfillment we given. So I come to now this. I want to ask some whether BRS Chandrasekhar Rao can become PM. It's not at all possible. Whether Stalin is possible to become Prime Minister, it's not at all possible. Whether any India Alliance is not possible to become PM, it's not at all possible. Only one man, Prime Minister, Sri Narendra Modi ji only can become the Prime Minister third term. That is also 400 seats he is going to win, 400 plus seats, and that 400 plus one seat is from our Nagar Karnool seat is going to add in that. So for that, here people, our Ramanuji are already here work, and our central government schemes also. Already I mentioned this National Highway 167K, 80 kilometer long way. So almost 2,400 crore sanctioned by the central government, and this one icon bridge also is coming in the Asia's Somasila Siddheswaram over Krishna River. That icon bridge is also coming in this highway. So this highway is going to connect Tirupati to Hyderabad. So the 80 kilometer reduced, and travel time also reduced. And it is, if you reach the Hyderabad, from Hyderabad to Tirupati, Tirupati to Chennai, so the industrial corridor also, you can easily take up the goods to the Chennai port also through via the Tirupati. So this road is going to give industrial infrastructure, industrial development, as well as economic development in this region. This region, agricultural products are very famous, particularly the mangoes and mango pulps are famous. So already food processing zone also has to be identified and notified also by the central government, sanctioned also by the central government by our Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji. Nagar Karnool, Kalvakuruthi, Macharla via Dornakal has been sanctioned. The railway line has been sanctioned, and a complete survey has been done, and the final report is report to the government, the railway they given. So after this election, immediately this work has to be taken place. That is our Prime Minister's guarantee to this place. And as for the Bharatmala scheme, 6-lane road was undertaken from the Raichur to Chennai. That also our constituency is taking place. And already our MP mentioned 3 Kendra Vidyalaya also sanctioned for this region in this constituency. One is for Nagar Karnool, another one is Vanaparthi, and one is for Gadwal. So 3 districts is there in this parliament, and 3 Kendra Vidyalayas also sanctioned for the people's welfare and this students' welfare. And as per this, you are all know that now the Ayurvedic alternative treatment and alternative medicine is taking place, and worldwide it is getting familiar. Our Nallamalla forest is famous for the Ayurvedic and Siddha medicinal plants. So for that, already our government in the a center has to be set up in the Acchampeta Assembly for the utilization of medical plants. That also we are giving as in our election manifesto, and we are going to focus this Ayurvedic medical college in Acchampeta. Also we are going to take, we will provide in that region. And also our I don't want mention more about our Ramulu. You are all know about him. He's a very senior person. Last 3-4 decades he is in the public service. He was minister. He served as a minister, and he was 3-time MP, MLA, and now he's a sitting MP. His son, Mr. Bharat Prasad, is an young person. Is a 36-year-old candidate and energetic person. Is in Jilla Parishad member also. He is in the capacity of Jilla Parishad member. He is working and to serving the people. So I appeal